Hi friends, did you know .NET Core powers millions of high-performance applications worldwide? Let us explore it. Now I am going to open the website of ASP.NET. Here is the first link of ASP.NET Core. Click on it. We can see ASP.NET Core is free. That means you do not need to buy any license to use it. It is cross-platform. That means the applications which are built using .NET Core can run on different operating systems like Windows, Linux, macOS. You can create different kinds of application like web application, API, real-time application, artificial intelligence and ML. And you don't need to learn a different stack. Only one .NET stack is sufficient to develop all kinds of application. Here is the one interesting thing that I want to show you. It is very fast and scalable. ASP.NET Core performs faster than other popular web frameworks. In the diagram, we can see Java Servlet can handle 2.20 million requests per second. Node.js can handle 0.60 million requests per second. But the big figure is of .NET. It can handle 7.02 million requests per second. This is given on the official website of Microsoft. So you can think of .NET Core, you can learn it and you can develop high performance applications that are used in various enterprises